Hello guys, good and welcome. We're going to find the nth term of this sequence. We know it's a quadratic sequence because we're going to have a second difference right now. So this is 17, this is 23, that is 29, and this is 35. We obtain this by subtracting, okay, so 21 minus 4, that gives us 17. 44 minus 21, that is 23. That's how we get in these numbers. We need to find what we call now the second difference, which we subtract the first difference. So we have a plus 6, and a plus 6. That's our second difference. All right, now we're going to use some basic formula already created for us to solve for our nth term. And remember, the nth term, Tn, should be an squared plus bn plus c. So we are just looking for our a, our b, and our c. Got it? Okay. Now, let's jump into action. The formula or the rule says that 2a it should be equal to the first term of the second difference. So our a is going to be 3, because if you divide both sides by 2, we have a as 3. Now the rule again says that, so we have 3n squared, all right? Already we have the coefficient of the n squared. We have 3a plus b should be equal to the first term of the first difference. So 3a plus b should be equal to 17. 3a plus b is constant. It's a formula you use to find the value of b. We already know the value of a as a 3, all right? So substitute. 3a means 3 times a, and 3 times 3 is a 9. So 9 plus b should be 17. Of course, which number can you add to 9 to get 17? And that number is what? 8. That means our b is equal to 8. So coming back to this, we know our a was a 3, so plus 8n. We have our b now. Now let us solve for our c. Okay, so c, the other method or formula we use to find c says this: when I add my a to my b to my c, it must be equal to the first term of the original sequence. So look at how we are working going upwards. 2a is equal to 6, all right, first term of the second difference. 3a plus b is equal to first term of the second difference. Then a plus b plus c is equal to first term of the first difference, or the original, no, not first difference, but the original sequence. Got it? Okay. So now let's solve for our a. A was a 3. A was a 3, so we have 3 plus b. B was 8 plus c should be equal to the first term here, 4. A plus b is 11. So what can we add to 11 to get a 4? Obviously, take 11 from both sides, and we know our c will be negative 7. So c will be negative 7. So our nth term is simply what we got here, 3n squared plus 8n minus 7. Got it? Good.